In this video, let me quickly show you how to use the Gmail undo feature. Whenever you send an email and you want to enable this feature where you can undo or unsend an email, the way that you do it is through the settings on the top right of your screen. You can also do this step using your mobile app. Head over to see all settings and make sure you're inside of general. Inside of general, make sure you scroll down and find the undo settings option. You'll see an option which says undo send, and by default it would be selected to 5 seconds. If you want a longer period so that you can undo an email that you send, make sure you select the highest, which is 30 seconds. Scroll down and then you can click on save changes. From now on, an email that you send, you'll have up to 30 seconds to undo that email. Let me quickly show you with an example. Now, if you send an email just like this, you can see this is the undo section right here. This undo section will appear for 30 seconds as we just enabled and set it up for 30 seconds. Within those 30 seconds, you just need to click on undo. And there you go. The email now has been undone and this pop-up window will again open up. So this is the only way that you can undo or unsend emails inside of Gmail. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.